हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू थर्ड आई। ये जो वीडियो है ये बिहार से जुड़े सारे एग्ज़ाम्स के लिए बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है। खास करके बीपीएससी, बिहार एसआई, स्टेट लेवल के जो भी बिहार के एग्ज़ाम्स हैं उन सारे एग्ज़ाम्स के लिए ये वीडियो बहुत ही ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है। तो इस वीडियो को पूरा देखिएगा, लाइक सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिएगा और अपने दोस्तों के साथ ज़रूर शेयर कीजिएगा क्योंकि ये बहुत ही इंफॉर्मेटिव वीडियो है। तो इस वीडियोज़ में हमने क्वेश्चंस जो लिए हैं वो बिहार के बेसिक्स से हाई लेवल तक जाएंगे और इसमें टॉपिक वाइज आपको सारे क्वेश्चंस मिलेंगे। और अगर इस पे आपको कोई एक्स्ट्रा वीडियोस चाहिए बिहार से जुड़ा हुआ तो आप कमेंट में हमें बताइए और आपके लिए फिर नेक्स्ट वीडियोस आपके अकॉर्डिंग फिर बना दिया जाएगा। तो स्टूडेंट्स, इस वीडियो में हमने अरिहंत के एमसीक्यूज़ को उठाया है जो कि प्रीवियस ईयर बीपीएससी में आ चुका है और हो सकता है आने वाले जो बीपीएससी एग्ज़ाम है या फिर बिहार एसआई है, जो भी बिहार के एग्ज़ाम है, हो सकता है उसमें क्वेश्चंस आ सकते हैं। तो हमने इन क्वेश्चंस को ऐसे सेट किया है कि आप खुद का रिवीजन कर सकते हैं। हमने कतई उसमें 5 सेकंड का टाइमर सेट कर रखा है। क्वेश्चंस आपके पास आएंगे, आपके पास ऑप्शंस आएंगे, आपको 5 सेकंड का टाइम मिलेगा और आप सही आंसर टिक कीजिएगा और 5 सेकंड बाद आपके पास आंसर आएगा तो आप चेक कर सकोगे कि आंसर सही है या नहीं। और ये जो एमसीक्यू जो कि अरिहंत का हमने उठाया है, तो अगर आपको इसका पीडीएफ चाहिए तो आप कमेंट में हमें बता सकते हैं और आपको पीडीएफ अवेलेबल हो जाएगा। हम आपको लिंक प्रोवाइड कर देंगे, आप उस लिंक के थ्रू पीडीएफ डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं।
One. Pillar inscription in Loria Areraj give description in which language? A. Brahmi, B. Prakrit, C. Pali, D. Both A and B. The correct option is B. Prakrit. Question number 2. Gupta period coins have been founded from A. Rajgir, B. Hajipur, C. Sasaram, D. Munger. The correct option is B. Hajipur. 3. Ashokan inscription have been obtained from which of the following place? A. Kumharhar, B. Vaishali, C. Lauria Nandangarh, D. All of the above. The correct option is C. Lauria Nandangarh. 4. In which of the following books region of Bihar have been called Kikat? A. Atharva Veda, B. Rig Veda, C. Satpath Brahman, D. Bhagavati Sutra. The correct option is B. Rig Veda. 5. Which of the following is a non-religious source about the ancient history of Bihar? A. Gargi Samhita, B. Abhidhamma Pitaka, C. Rig Veda, D. Kalpa Sutra. The correct option is A. Gargi Samhita. 6. Who among the following was the student of Nalanda University? A. Megasthenes, B. Yun Sang, C. Ibn Battuta, D. Al-Biruni. The correct answer is B. Yun Sang. 7. The great disciple of Buddha, Saripaltar, was born in A. Bihar, B. Tibet, C. Gujarat, D. Sri Lanka. The correct option is C. Gujarat. 8. What was the name of the dynasty of Ajatasattu? A. Maurya, B. Haryanka, C. Nanda, D. Gupta. The correct option is B. Haryanka. 9th. Champa was the capital which is known as A. Bhagalpur, B. Khagaria, C. Munger, D. Patliputra. The correct option is A. Bhagalpur. 10th. Capital of Anga Mahajanapad was A. Vaishali, B. Rajgir, C. Patliputra, D. Champa. The correct option is D. Champa. 11th. The capital of Vaji Sangh was A. Nalanda, B. Patliputra, C. Vaishali, D. Munger. The correct option is C. Vaishali. 12th. Amrapali, the famous dancer, was related to which of the following city? A. Patliputra, B. Vaishali, C. Mithila, D. Munger. The correct option is B. Vaishali. 13th. Vidhay kingdom has been mentioned in which of the following for the first time? A. Yajurveda, B. Rigveda, C. Vishnu Puran, D. Arthashastra. The correct option is A. Yajurveda. 14th. Janak was the king of which one of the following? A. Mithila, B. Vaishali, C. Anga, and D. Champa. correct option is A. Mithila. 15th. What was the early capital of Magad? A. Patliputra, B. Vaishali, C. Rajgriha, D. Champa. The correct option is C. Rajgriha. 16. Where was Mahavir Swami born? A. Kundagram, B. Patliputra, C. Magad, D. Vaishali. The correct option is Kundagram. 17th. The salvation place of Mahavir Ji, the originator of Jain religion, is located at A. Maner, B. Rajgir, C. Pavapuri, D. Jalan Fort. The correct option is Pavapuri. 18. After the Mahaparinirvan of Lord Buddha, the first Buddhist council was A. Rajgriha, B. Gaya, C. Patliputra, D. Vaishali. The correct answer is A. Rajgriha. 19th. Sariputra, the famous Buddhist, was born at which place? A. Nalanda, B. Gaya, C. Patliputra, D. Vaishali. The correct option is A. Nalanda. 20. The first Buddhist council was held in Rajgriha under the patronage of A. Chandragupta Maurya, B. Ashoka, C. Ajatashatru, D. Kanishka. The correct option is C. Ajatashatru. 21. The third Buddhist council was convened at A. Takshila, B. Sarnath, C. Bodh Gaya, D. Patliputra. The correct option is Patliputra. 22. Which was the capital of Jarasandh? A. Madhepura, B. Banka, C. Jamui, D. Rajgir. The correct option is D. Rajgir. 23. Which ruler was the first to establish his capital at Patliputra? A. Ajatashatru, B. Kalashoka, C. Udayin, D. Kanishka. The correct answer is Udayin. 24. Capital of Magad Mahajanapad was A. Sasaram, B. Vaishali, C. Rajgir, D. Nalanda. The correct option is C. Rajgir. 25. Who was the founder of Nanda dynasty in Bihar? A. Mahapadmananda, B. Kakvarna, C. Dhanananda, D. Nagdakshak. The correct option is A. Mahapadmananda. 26. Which ruler of Magad was the contemporary of Alexander? A. Mahapadmananda, B. Dhanananda, C. Chandragupta Maurya, D. Kushan. The correct answer is B. Dhanananda. 27. Which dynasty ruled Magad after the Nanda dynasty? A. Maurya, B. Sunga, C. Gupta, D. Kushana. The correct option is A. Maurya. 28. Kautilya, the great thinker, was the political advisor of which Magad ruler? A. Dhanananda, B. Bimbisara, C. Ajatasattu, D. Chandragupta Maurya. The correct option is D. Chandragupta Maurya. 29th. First foreign traveler to visit Bihar was A. Megasthenes, B. Fahian, C. Yun Sang, D. Ising. The correct option is A. Megasthenes. 30. Which source of description about administration in Patliputra? A. Divyadan, B. Arthashastra, C. Indika, D. Inscription of Ashoka. The correct option is Indika. 31. Mauryan administration in Patliputra was run by 30 citizens, which was divided in 6 committees. Who made this statement? A. Megasthenes, B. Kautilya, C. Nagarjun, D. Vasubandhu. The correct option is A. Megasthenes. 32. In which of the rock edict Ashoka mentioned about the Kalinga war? A. 13th, B. 12th, C. 11th, D. 10th. The correct answer is A. 13th. 33. Important evidence of Mauryan period have been found at which place? A. Sasaram, B. Rajgir, C. Kumarhar, D. Champa. The correct option is C. Kumarhar. 34. Who was the last ruler of Mauryan Empire of Bihar? A. Bridhadartha, B. Pushyamitra, C. Vasumitra, D. Agnimitra. The correct option is A. Bridhadartha. 35. According to Gargi Samhita, Yavans invaded Patliputra in whose reign? A. Pushyamitra Shunga, B. Ashoka, C. Chandragupta Maurya, D. Vikramaditya. The correct option is B. Ashoka. 36. Who was the founder of Nalanda University? A. Chandragupta Vikramaditya, B. Kumar Gupta I, C. Dharmapal, D. Pushyamitra. The correct option is B. Kumar Gupta I. 37. Who destroyed Nalanda University in Bihar? A. Kutubuddin Aibak, B. Bakhtiyar Khalji, C. Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq, D. Alauddin Khilji. The correct option is B. Bakhtiyar Khalji. 38. Who among the following had defeated Hunas? A. Samundragupta, B. Chandragupta II, C. Skandagupta, D. Ramagupta. The correct option is C. Skandagupta. 39. Aryabhat, the great astrologer, was related to which place? A. Vaishali, B. Patliputra, C. Odanpuri, D. Nalanda. correct option is B. Patliputra. When was Patliputra established? A. 445 BC, B. 555 BC, C. 355 BC, D. 225 BC. The correct option is A. 455 BC. 1. Odantpuri Educational Institution is located in which among of the following state? A. Bengal, B. Bihar, C. Gujarat, D. Tamil Nadu. The correct option is B. Bihar. 2. Who of the following Pala ruler organized a darbar in Kannauj? A. Gopala, B. Dharmapala, C. Devpala, D. None of the above. The correct option is B. Dharmapala. 3. Who established Vikramshila University? A. Aditya Sen, B. Madhava Gupta, C. Dharmagupta, D. Devpala. The correct option is C. Dharmagupta. 4. Munger was the capital of A. Gopala, B. Devpala, C. Both A and B, D. None of the above. The correct option is B. Devpala. 5. The ruler of Swarnabhumi who founded a Buddhist monastery at Nalanda and requested Devpala through his ambassador to grant 5 villages for its maintenance was A. Dharninder, B. Sangram Dhananjaya, C. Balputra Deva, D. Chudavani Varman. And the correct option is C. Balputra Deva. 6. Who was the founder of Karnata dynasty in Mithila? A. Nainadev, B. Narsimhadev, C. Vijaydev, D. All of the above. The correct option is A. Nyayadev. 7. Harsimhadev was the king of A. Mithila, B. Bhojpur, C. Agra, D. Videha. The correct option is A. Mithila. 8. Nalanda Vihar was destroyed by A. Bakhtiyar Khilji, B. Kutubuddin Aibak, C. Muhammad bin Tughlaq, D. Alauddin Khalji. The correct option is A. Bakhtiyar Khilji. 9th. Who had destroyed Odantpuri and Vikramshila University in Bihar? A. Muhammad Gori, B. Muhammad bin Bakhtiyar Khalji, C. Muhammad of Ghazni, D. None of the above. The correct option is B. Muhammad bin Bakhtiyar Khalji. 10. Who was the first Muslim conqueror of Bihar? A. Malik Ibrahim, B. Iltutmish, C. Bakhtiyar Khalji, D. Ali Mardan Khalji. The correct option is C. Bakhtiyar Khalji. 11. Ibrahim Bayaz Mausoleum is at which place? A. Patna, B. Bihar Sharif, C. Darbhanga, D. Gaya. The correct option is B. Bihar Sharif. 12th. Who was the last Pala king ruled over Bihar and Bengal region? A. Rampala, B. Mahipala I, C. Mahipala II, D. Vigrahapala. The correct option is A. Rampala. 13. The earliest description at Bakhtiar Khilji invasion of Bihar is in A. Tariq-e-Hind, B. Tabaqat-e-Nasiri, C. Taj-ul-Masir, D. Tariq-e-Mubarak Shahi. The correct answer is C. Taj-ul-Masir. 14. The author of Rajniti Ratnakar is A. Chandeshwar, B. Vidyapati, C. Jyotireshwar, D. Hari Brahmendra. The correct option is A. Chandreshwar. 15. Who was the first Subedar appointed by Iltutmish in Bihar? A. Iwaz, B. Balban, C. Malik Alauddin Jani, D. Nasiruddin Mahmud. The correct option is C. Malik Alauddin Jani. 16. Who among the following was the ruler of Bihar and Awadh around 1228? The correct option is B. Nasiruddin Mahmud. 17. According to Prayag Prahasti, which of the following place was included in Bihar at the time of Balban? A. Gaya, B. Bhojpur, C. Nawada, D. Maner. The correct option is A. Gaya. 18. In which of the following places Khilji coins have been founded? A. Bhojpur, B. Gaya, C. Munger, D. Maner. The correct option is A. Bhojpur. 19. Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq has invaded Bengal and Bihar in A. 1324, B. 1320, C. 1319, D. 1318. The correct option is A. 1324. 20. Who among the following was the founder of Tughlaq dynasty in Bihar? A. Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq, B. Firoz Shah Tughlaq, C. Muhammad bin Tughlaq, D. None of the above. The correct option is A. Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq. 21. Which was the region invaded by Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq? A. Gaya, B. Bhojpur, C. Tirhut, D. Patna. The correct option is C. Tirhut. 22. Bihar name was given to this place in the reign of which kingdom? A. Slave, B. Khilji, C. Tughlaq, D. Nuhani. The correct option is C. Tughlaq. 23. Area of Chero dynasty was A. Kishanganj Katihar Araria, B. Darbhanga Madhubani, C. Muzaffarpur Saran Champaran, D. None of the above. The correct option is C. Muzaffarpur Saran Champaran. 24. Who had started Jagdishpur fair in Bihar? A. Phoolchand, B. Darya Khan, C. Jalal Khan, D. None of the above. The correct option is A. Phoolchand. 25. Jagdishpur fair had started during A. Nuhani dynasty, B. Chero dynasty, C. Ujjaini dynasty, D. Sur dynasty. The correct option is B. Chero dynasty. 26. Buxar was the capital of A. Ujjaini, B. Chero, C. Nuhani, D. Sur. The correct option is A. Ujjaini. 27. Dash was the very important dynasty in the history of Bihar. A. Tughlaq dynasty, B. Nuhani dynasty, C. Khilji dynasty, D. None of the above. The correct option is B. Nuhani dynasty. 28. Babur fought Battle of Ghaggar in 1529 with whom of the following? A. Sultan Muhammad, B. Darya Khan, C. Jalal Khan, D. None of the above. The correct option is A. Sultan Muhammad. 29. Battle of Surajgarh of 1534 was held between which of the two people? A. Sher Shah and Humayun, B. Sher Shah and Babur, C. Sher Shah and Jalal Khan, D. Sher Shah and Mahmud Shah. The correct option is D. Sher Shah and Mahmud Shah. 30. Battle of Chausa of 1539 was held between A. Sher Shah and Jalal Khan, B. Sher Shah and Humayun, C. Sher Shah and Inayat Khan, D. Sher Shah and Khuda Bakhsh Khan. The correct option is B. Sher Shah and Humayun. 31. In Bihar, where was the headquarters of Sher Shah? A. Gaya, B. Darbhanga, C. Patna, D. Saran. The correct option is C. Patna. 32. The tomb of Sher Shah is built in A. Sasaram, B. Kalingar, C. Chausa, D. Patna. The correct option is A. Sasaram. 33. Sher Shah Suri belongs to A. Patna, B. Gaya, C. Sasaram, D. Ara. The correct option is C. Sasaram. 34. Bihar was under Mughal rule in the period of A. 1557 to 1576, B. 1526 to 1557, C. 1550 to 1576, D. None of the above. The correct option is D. None of the above. 35. Humayun attacked Chunar Durg in which year? A. 1590, B. 1531, C. 1585, D. 1582. The correct option is 1531. 36. Who was the last Mughal governor of Bihar? A. Karaid Khan, B. Mir Jumla, C. Buland Khan, D. Fukhre-ud-Dawla. The correct option is D. Fukhre-ud-Dawla. 37. Akbar merged Bihar and Bengal in Mughal Empire in A 1560, B 1575, C 1576, D 1572. The correct option is C 1576. 38. Who was the governor of Bihar during Akbar's reign? A. Munim Khan, B. Beg Bahadur, C. Man Singh, D. both A and C. The correct option is D. both A and C. 39. Who was the first Mughal ruler to be sworn in Patna? A. Shahjahan, B. Farooq Siyar, C. Akbar, D. Aurangzeb. The correct option is B. Farooq Siyar. 40. Dash had made his grandson Azim as Subedar of Bihar. A. Aurangzeb, B. Shahjahan, C. Azimushan, D. none of the above. The correct option is A. Aurangzeb. 41. Prince Azimushan, the grandson of Aurangzeb, came as the governor of A. Bhagalpur, B. Munger, C. Patliputra, D. none of the above. The correct option is C. Patliputra. 42. Which Sikh Guru was born in Patna? A. Guru Nanak, B. Guru Tegh Bahadur, C. Guru Har Gobind, D. Guru Gobind Singh. The correct option is D. Guru Gobind Singh. 1. Who were the first European to enter Bihar in 17th century? A. British, B. Dutch, C. Portuguese, D. Spanish. The correct option is C. Portuguese. 2. When did Dutch company establish their factory in Bihar? A. 1610, B. 1632, C. 1650, D. 1665. The correct option is B. 1632. 3. When did Tavernier came to Patna? A. 1640, B. 1645, C. 1650, D. 1665. The correct option is D. 1665. 4. The Britishers defeated Dutch in the Battle of Bedara in A. November 1759, B. January 1760, C. April 1759, D. December 1765. The correct option is A. November 1759. 5. Where did East India Company establish their factory in Bihar? A. Patna, B. Bhagalpur, C. Muzaffarpur, D. Gaya. The correct option is A. Patna. 6. The French control over the trade of Bihar came to an end after the Battle of A. Palasi, B. Chunar, C. Buxar, D. Muzaffarpur. The correct option is A. Palasi. 7. Denmark Company built factory in 1774 in Patna for the trading of A. Spices, B. Cotton cloth, C. Saltpetre, D. Tea. The correct option is C. Saltpetre. 8. Which among the following was the chief opium producing zone during the British rule? A. South India, B. Gujarat, C. Bihar, D. Assam. The correct option is C. Bihar. Ninth, when was Job Charnock appointed as the head of the factory in Patna? A. 1662, B. 1664, C. 1666, D. 1670. The correct option is B. 1664. 10. Name the last governor of Bihar during reign Aurangzeb. A. Prince Azimushan, B. Prince Muhammad Shah, C. Azam Khan, D. None of the above. The correct option is A. Prince Azimushan. 11. In 1750, Patna factory of the East India Company was closed during the pressure of Nawab. A. Alivardi Khan, B. Murshid Quli Khan, C. Siraj ud Dawla, D. None of the above. The correct option is A. Alivardi Khan. 12. Which among the following Indian was appointed as Naib Diwan, Deputy Diwan of Bihar by Robert Clive? A. Omi Chand, B. Manik Chand, C. Rai Durlabh, D. Sitab Roy. The correct option is D. Sitab Roy. 13. Who was the Mughal ruler to participate in the Battle of Buxar? A. Shah Alam II, B. Farooq Siyar, C. Nasir Ruding, D. Siraj ud Dawla. The correct option is A. Shah Alam II. 14. When did Shah Alam II granted the Diwani right of Bengal and Bihar to English East India Company? A. 12th August 1765, B. 18th August 1765, C. 29th August 1765, D. 21st August 1765. The correct option is A. 12th August 1765. 15. Battle of Buxar gave the company A. Diwani right of Bengal, B. Diwani right of Bihar and Bengal, C. Diwani right of Bihar, Bengal and Odisha, D. Subjection of Bengal only. The correct option is B. Diwani right of Bihar and Bengal. 16. After the death of Sitab Rai, Warren Hastings appointed Dash as Diwan of Bihar. A. Kalyan Singh, B. Khayali Ram, C. Raghuveer Singh, D. None of the above. The correct option is A. Kalyan Singh. 17. When was famine started in Bihar in 18th century? A. 1783, B. 1780, C. 1785, D. 1790. The correct option is A. 1783. 18. To cope with famine of Bihar, granary of Golghat was built in A. 1786, B. 1770, C. 1745, D. 1760. The correct option is A. 1786. 19. In Bihar, the revolt of 1857 started on A. 12th June 1857, B. 3rd July 1857, C. 25th July 1857, D. 30th July 1857. The correct option is A. 12th June 1857. 20. At which place first the revolt of 1857 had taken place in Bihar? A. Devghar, B. Danapur, C. Muzaffarpur, D. Patna. The correct option is A. Devghar. 21. Who had led the revolt of 1857 in Patna? A. Peer Ali, B. Kunwar Singh, C. Both A and B, D. Neither A and B. The correct option is A. Peer Ali. 22. Which revolutionary from Jagdishpur took active part in the revolt of 1857? A. Chandrasekhar, B. Tirath Singh, C. Ram Singh, D. Kunwar Singh. The correct option is D. Kunwar Singh. 23. The most notable figure of Bihar revolt was Babu Kunwar Singh of A. Gaya, B. Jagdishpur, C. Patna, D. Bhagalpur. The correct option is B. Jagdishpur. 24. Kunwar Singh was the king of A. Hamirpur, B. Dheerpur, C. Jagdishpur, D. Rampur. The correct option is C. Jagdishpur. 25. Where did Kunwar Singh join the rebellion of 1857 against the British? A. Ara, B. Patna, C. Betia, D. Varanasi. The correct option is A. Ara. 26. Who was the leader of revolutionaries in Bihar during the revolt of 1857? A. Namdar Khan, B. Babu Kunwar Singh, C. Birsa Munda, D. Shankar Shah. The correct option is B. Babu Kunwar Singh. 27. Kunwar Singh, the revolutionary to initiate the revolt of 1857 from Bihar, died on A. 10th April 1858, B. 17th June 1858, C. 26th April 1858, D. 20th June 1858. The correct option is C. 26th April 1858. 28. Hukku Singh and Manku Singh was the major leader of revolt of 1857 from A. Jagdishpur, B. Rajgir, C. Amratu, D. Arwal. The correct option is C. Amratu. 29. In dash the rights of the tenant on land in Bengal and Bihar were given the Bengal Tenancy Act. A. 1885, B. 1886, C. 1889, D. 1900. The correct option is A. 1885. 30. The 28th session of Indian National Congress was held at which among the following place in Bihar? A. Bhagalpur, B. Muzaffarpur, C. Ranchi, D. Bakipur. The correct option is D. Bakipur. 31. When was Patna University Bill passed? A. 1910, B. 1915, C. 1916, D. 1920. The correct option is C, 1916. 1. Who among the following was the leader of Ho tribal movement? A. Raja Parhat, B. Sidhu and Kanhu, C. Birsa Munda, D. Buddhu Bhagat. The correct option is A. Raja Parhat. 2. The occupation of which of the following region led the Ho uprising? A. Occupation of Singhbhum, B. Occupation of Chota Nagpur, C. Occupation of Kalahandi, D. None of the above. The correct option is A. Occupation of Singhbhum. 3. Which of the following statement are true? A. Ho tribes were led by Raja Parhat against occupation of Singhbhum by British. B. The Bhumij revolt was led by Ganga Narayan. Its impact was basically in the Singhbhum and Birhum. C. Both A and B. D. None of the above. The correct option is C. Both A and B. 4. Who led the Kol revolt? A. Buddhu Bhagat, B. Sidhu and Kanhu, C. Birsa Munda, D. Raja Parhat. The correct option is A. Buddhu Bhagat. 5. In which your Kol uprising began? A. 1832, B. 1831, C. 1833, D. 1834. The correct option is B. 1831. 6. Which of the following statement are false? A. Kol uprising was led by Buddhu Bhagat of Chota Nagpur. B. Kol uprising was against expansion of British rule on their lands and transfer their lands to outsiders. C. Both A and B. D. None of the above. The correct option is D. None of the above. 7th. What was the reason for Kol uprising? A. Transfer of their lands to outsiders. B. High revenue. C. Operation by Britishers. D. None of the above. The correct option is A. Transfer of their lands to outsiders. 8. Which of the following statement are true? A. Santhal uprising was led by Sidhu and Kanhu. B. Bhumij movement was led by Ganga Narayan. C. None of the above. D. Both A and B. The correct option is both A and B. 9th. Who led the Bhumij revolt? A. Ganga Narayan, B. Sidhu and Kanhu, C. Sayyid Hasan, D. Raja Parhat. The correct option is A. Ganga Narayan. 10th. The reason of Bhumij revolt was dash. A. Land annexation policy of the Britishers. B. Land revenue policy of the Britishers. C. Both A and B. D. None of the above. The correct option is B. Land revenue policy of the Britishers. 11th. In which year Bhumij revolt started? A. 1831, B. 1832, C. 1833, D. 1834. The correct option is B, 1832. 12th, Santhal uprising was led by A. Sidhu and Kanhu, B. Birsa Munda, C. Buddhu Bhagat, D. None of the above. The correct option is A. Sidhu and Kanhu. 13th, which of the following region was mainly affected by Santhal uprising? A. Rajmahal Hill, B. Chota Nagpur, C. Simbhum, D. None of these. The correct option is A. Rajmahal Hills. 14. Which of the following statement is are false? A. The leader of Santhal uprising, Sidhu, was jailed in 1866. B. Kanhu, the Santhal leader, was shot death. C. Both A and B. D. None of the above. The correct option is C. Both A and B. 15. What was created by the British to pacify the Santhal uprising? A. Specific area, B. Santhal Pargana, C. Autonomous status, D. None of the above. The correct option is B. Santhal Pargana. 16. Lota uprising was started in A. 1850, B. 1852, C. 1855, D. 1856. The correct option is D. 1856. 17. Which of the following statement is are correct in context of Munda revolt? A. A Forest Regulation Act passed in 1865. B. The Indian Forest Act 1878 declared forest as state property. C. Both A and B. D. None of the above. The correct option is C. Both A and B. 18. The term Ulgulan is context of Munda movement means A. Rebellion, B. Courageous, C. Tribal movement, D. Tribal song. The correct option is A. Rebellion. 19th. Which of the following was the reason for Munda revolt? A. Forest rights, B. Land rights, C. Religious revivalism, D. All of the above. The correct option is B. Land rights. 20. The Tana Bhagat movement took place in which year? A. 1914, B. 1832, C. 1900, D. 1820. The correct option is A. 1914. 21. Which tribe participated in the revolt of Tana Bhagat movement in Bihar? A. Ho tribe, B. Munda tribe, C. Santhal tribe, D. Orao tribe. The correct option is D. Orao tribe. 22. The Tana Bhagat movement was essentially a dash movement. A. Religious, B. Political, C. Social, D. Natural. The correct option is A. Religious. 23. Consider the following statement about Nonia revolt. 1. Saran, Tirhat and Hajipur were its imported centers. 2. These regions produced indigo. 3. The revolt emerged in early 19th century. Which of the following is correct? A. Only 1, B. Only 2, C. Only 3, D. All of the above. The correct option is A. Only 1. 24. Which of the following pairs is not correctly matched? Revolt versus Ears. A. Munda 1800, B. Tana Bhagat 1914, C. Santhal 1855, D. Cole 1831. The correct option is A. Munda 1800. 25. Which of the following pairs is correctly matched? Revolt versus Leaders. A. Munda Sidhu, B. Santhal Ganga Narayan, C. Cole Buddhu Bhagat, D. Wahabi Birsa. The correct option is C. Cole Buddhu Bhagat.